How to fix Instagram Notes videos not showing. If any day you are an Instagram user and you may see that there is a feature called as Instagram video note on your very Instagram. But any day if you do not see the feature on your very Instagram and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution on how you can solve it. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not. That may be your Wi-Fi connection or your data connection as well. After that, now what you have to do is in the search icon of your mobile device, you have to search Instagram. After you search Instagram, now you can see an interface like this. Now you have to tap on Instagram like this, and after you tap on Instagram like this, now it will take you to an interface here. Now you have to tap on the option of app information. After tapping on the option of app information, now it will take you to an interface like this. Now here you have to go to the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable allow notifications and allow sound and vibration. Again, you have to go back and then tap on permissions. After tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to calendar, call logs, camera, contacts, location, microphone, nearby devices, notification, phone, photos, and videos. Again, you can go back, then tap on the option of set as default. Here you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again. Then tap on the option of storage. Here if you see any of the cache, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Then tap on the option of app details and store. After tapping on app details and store, if your problem is not solved, you can send a message to the developer here on the option of developer contact and also go to the Play Store on your mobile device and update your very application. And after you do all of these steps, your problem will be solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.